Yeah, so the interesting thing about this is me staying in Boracay. I was at the Uptown Hotel. I think I was there for 3 or 4 nights. Then I moved to this one, the Altabriza Resort Hotel, which is not on the main beach, as I've explained earlier. So I just thought, well, I'm going to do a comparison between the two hotels, show you the formats of each room, etc., and the pool, etc., and then try and work out a decision. So for people who watch my channel and are coming to the Philippines, and more in particular coming to Boracay, then they can see these and make a decision and give me some feedback whether I think I've picked the right hotels. So this is it. This one's had a recent renovation. Okay, when I checked in here, the reception staff said, "Oh, we'll put you into our newer rooms, sir. They've only been finished 6 months or so." And they are working above me now on other buildings over here and below me. They're renovating all their rooms. So there's a bit of noise during the day because workmen are on site. But of course it's quiet at night, and so that doesn't really worry me because I'm out of the room most of the day anyway. So what it's got good cupboard space. It's got a nice lockable safe there, plenty of room for your baggage, makeup. You want your room made up, the light will go on there. Hot and cold drink, they give you a bottle of water each day. Refrigerator there, a desk with plenty of PowerPoints. Now the unusual part about this hotel room is it's separated into 2 areas. It's got a sofa here, coffee table, and a mirror. But the mirror is also a reversible television. So you can move that around and watch the television out here if you want to. So I haven't seen that in too many hotel rooms. Then you come through and then you've got the partition here for the sort of seating area and the bedroom. Got a lot of bench space, chest of drawers. Once again, you've got plenty of power switches both sides, lighting both sides, lighting switches. The bed is nice. The bed's not old. In my travels around Philippines, I've been on a lot of ordinary beds that are very, very old, but that's relatively new. Then you come into the bathroom. Toilet. Glass partition. Rainwater shower, hose shower, and big bath. So everything is clean. It's not very old at all. So it's always nice to stay in a hotel room that's not old and something recently refurbished though. So I had trouble at the other hotel, the Uptown Hotel. It's an older hotel. Has a big passageway between the rooms. It had the doors facing out onto the passageway with the curtains, and the curtains didn't cover the door. There was noise. You could hear everything outside the front door of your room. The passageway was noisy, people making noise. I had trouble sleeping, and the room wasn't dark. Like the curtains, the front door area just didn't keep the passageway lights out. So the first night I moved in here, I slept like a baby. It was dark. It's got curtains here, curtains there that pull across. So this has been much better for just general day-to-day living, sleeping. Okay, but then again, it's not right on the beachfront like the other one was where I stayed. So the Uptown is right in the party district of Boracay. It's thick right in amongst of everything, facing right onto the beach, with only the beach about 15 metres from the front of the hotel. So the hotel's so close at Uptown, and you can walk to the bars, and you know. But look, it's this from here to the beach is only about a 5 to 10 minute walk, so it's nothing really. And if you're like me, it's important to get a good sleep. That's really important to me, or else I just can't operate the next day. So that's it. That's this hotel, the Altabriza, it's called, here in Boracay, and they're currently refurbishing all their rooms, which they reckon will take the next 6 to 12 months. And yeah, I think it's good value for money. Yeah. So in the comparison between the Altabriza Hotel where I'm here compared to the one I was at Uptown Hotel, the comparisons are interesting, because this has 2 pools as well. Now this is on the 2nd level. You've got apartments around here opening out onto the pool, much like the Uptown, which had a 2nd pool on the ground floor with apartments opening up to it. But this one's got an infinity pool up the top at the moment, which is not in use because it's being renovated. And as you can see, there's work done up here renovating these as well. So my room is definitely much better here. I had a good sleep last night. I didn't sleep well at the Uptown because the lighting, the room wasn't dark, the passageways between the rooms was the door, and unfortunately I had bad other guests on the same level as me that were up all hours of the night till 5 o'clock in the morning. So that's one of the reasons why I left that. So yeah, this is a, you know, it's got the pool area here, it's got the bar, seating under cover, it's got the bed lounges in the pool. This pool's, it's only shallow of course, but it's still a good sized pool. So it's going to be interesting when I try and work out what was the better. My room cools the other one, so obviously I'm favouring this one at the moment, even though it's not on the beachfront. I've got a beach there which is White Beach, and then there's another beach I went to this morning which is only very short distance away on that side. So the island's very narrow where we are here located. It's extraordinarily narrow, so you've got beaches on both sides. You can walk either way to each beach. It's fantastic. I will tag the Uptown Hotel video, which is called Where to Stay in Boracay 2026 Uptown Hotel. I'll tag this to this video so you can have a look at that. Regarding comparing the two, the Uptown is for a younger age group, I would say. It's a little bit noisier, it's got better live music every night right on its doorstep. It's 20 metres from the water's edge, it's a 2-minute walk from D Mall. It's fantastic for restaurants, fantastic service. It was $197 per night in Australian dollars. The Altabriza, where I am here, you just seen that video. The Altabriza is $187 Australian per night. It's quieter, probably better suited to my age group. Quieter at night, better comfort, better bed, etc. More modern room. The service was fantastic. Young staff were incredibly good. So really it gets down to personal taste. The only difference is with the Altabriza, you can go to exactly the same areas. It'll just take you 5 to 10 minute walk longer to get there. You just can't walk straight out onto the beautiful sandy beach here at the Altabriza like you can at Uptown. So it all depends on what's important to you. I'm sure that if you're a younger person and you love the live music right on your doorstep in the courtyard of the hotel every night, then you'll go for the Uptown. So there it is. I would probably go for Altabriza. So I hope you get something out of that, and thank you for joining me on this video.
This one.
This is the Altabriza front reception staff people here. They looked after me very well. Yeah, beautiful stay here. They're very friendly, good service. Beautiful. What's your name?
Glacy.
Glacy.
Yeah.
That's a Filipino name, isn't it? Glacy. Glenn, that's not Filipino.
This is a.
That's a weird. That's
This
a.
came from my grandpa.
Yeah. And Kyle.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kyle. Yeah, no, it's very good. Very good hotel. If I come back here again, I definitely stay here at the Altabriza. It's on the main street out here too, which is not a... There's no real problem because you get easy access to the electric tricycles.